Keeping my students engaged and motivated throughout the day is one of my biggest challenges. Hello, my name is Denise and I have been teaching for the past 10 years. And today I want to show you how the Smarter Surface product has changed my methods and my students' life in the classroom. That's where magnetic whiteboard projector screen paint comes in. It transforms a section of the classroom into a functional surface, creating an interactive and engaging environment for my students. The paint is very useful during group activities and brainstorming sections. It allows my students to move around the classroom and interact with the magnetic surface in different ways. It's also great for displaying visual aids and posters. I can quickly and easily display information without worrying about materials falling or shifting. I find the magnetic whiteboard projector screen paint on our walls has been brilliant. We use the walls now for lessons planning, brainstorming, class projects, and lots of other of the usual activities that require student collaboration. For me, I love that I can stick my visual aids and posters to any part of the wall with a magnet. You know, the wall surface encourages students to brainstorm and organize their ideas, which improves their creativity and critical thinking skills. They can easily erase and modify their work, motivating them to experiment with new ideas and solutions. The large size of the paint surface makes it easier for all students to see and participate in class, regardless of where they're sitting in the room, and this creates a more inclusive and accessible learning environment. Since we got the magnetic whiteboard projector screen paint, we have noticed a significant impact on the classroom dynamic in this particular room. Students are more engaged and there has been a noticeable positive impact on my students actively participating in lessons. We know, when we compare it to the other classrooms without these walls, it's definitely a much better space for both the teacher and students. I really think adding functionality to classroom walls with surface products has significantly increased the student engagement and participation. The idea of providing students with a large and interactive canvas to express their ideas and collaborate with one another can foster creativity, critical thinking skills, and problem-solving abilities. Students have the freedom to visually represent their ideas. They're more likely to understand and retain information. This really helps improve academic performance. I really recommend the Smarter Surface walls. I think they encourage engagement and participation. This product is simple, but it's been a highly effective tool to transform our classroom into a collaborative and engaging learning environment.